Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find old servers and grow a garden on Roblox. If you've ever wanted to join quieter or older servers, this method makes it really easy. I'll walk you through it step by step. The first thing we need to do is install an extension called BT Roblox. Open your browser and search for BT Roblox. You'll see a list of links. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the page, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. After it's installed, the extension will show up in the puzzle piece icon at the top of your browser. That means it's ready to use. Now, go back to Roblox and refresh your page. You might notice that the user interface looks a little different. Don't worry, that's completely normal. The extension adds some extra options we need to see the server list more effectively. Next, find Grow a Garden in your games and click on it. Scroll down until you see the section showing the servers. You'll see a list of all the active servers and the number of players currently in each one. At first, the servers are usually sorted in descending order, showing the fullest servers at the top. But we want to find older or less active servers, so we need to change the sorting to ascending. Click on the sorting option and switch it from descending to ascending. This way, the servers with the fewest players show up first, giving you the highest chance of joining an old server. Once the list is sorted, just pick any server you want to join. Click on it, and it will open in your Roblox game client. You can try a few different servers until you find one that's quiet or has been around for a while. And that's really all there is to it. Using this extension and sorting method makes it super simple to find old servers and grow a garden. You'll be able to enjoy a less crowded experience and even reconnect with older players if you want. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you found an old server or have other Roblox questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!